Alright, welcome to Hamilton Asset. This is the Victorinox Classic SD. I've had this one for 3 years. Hasn't broken, hasn't done anything, no malfunctions or anything. What it's got is some scissors. Spring hasn't broken. It's got flathead screwdriver, nail file, and then your main blade, came razor sharp, your toothpick, your tweezers, and your key ring to put on your keys, zipper pull, lanyard, whatever you want to do. And a size comparison to the Victorinox Recruit is that there, so it's decent size. These will be available on the website Hamilton Asset shortly in a variety of different colors. Thanks for watching.